When you hear the word Palestine, what comes to mind? For many, the picture is shaped by headlines and conflict, but that's only one story. Today, we invite you to see another, a story etched into hidden valleys, whispered in ancient ruins, and alive in the vibrant culture of its people. We're going beyond the familiar paths to uncover 7 of Palestine's secret gems, the stunning sights the world rarely gets to see. Number 7. Wadi Kelt St George's Monastery. Our journey begins in the raw, powerful landscape of the Judean desert. This is Wadi Kelt, a biblical valley carved by water and time. Its dramatic cliffs hold one of the most astonishing sights in the Holy Land. Clinging to the rock, as if suspended between heaven and earth, is the Monastery of St. George. Founded in the 4th century, this Greek Orthodox sanctuary has been a place of solitude and worship for over 1,500 years. To reach it is a pilgrimage in itself, a hike through breathtaking scenery that prepares you for the peace you find within its ancient walls. This isn't just a building, it's a testament to faith and endurance. Number 6. Marsaba Monastery. If St. George's is hidden, our next destination is almost a mirage. Deep in the Kidron Valley stands Marsaba, a fortress of faith that has defied time for over 15 centuries. Founded by St. Sabas in the year 483 AD, it is one of the oldest continuously inhabited monasteries in the world. Its ancient domes, towers and walls spill down the cliffside in a stunning display of human devotion in an unforgiving landscape. Access here is highly restricted, a tradition held for centuries, making it a place of true mystique and antiquity that few will ever witness from the inside. Number 5. The ancient ruins of Sebastia. From the desert's silence, we travel north to a place where empires collide. Welcome to Sebastia. This isn't just a collection of ruins, it's a library of civilizations. Here, you can walk through a Roman colonnaded street, stand in the shadow of a temple built by Herod the Great, and touch the walls of a Crusader cathedral. Sebastia's story is layered: Canaanite, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman. Today, a vibrant Palestinian village lives alongside this incredible history, working to preserve a heritage that is truly a living museum. Number 4. The old city of Nablus. From ancient ruins, we dive into the vibrant, beating heart of urban Palestine. This is the old city of Nablus. Forget manicured tourist sites. This is a living, breathing labyrinth of stone alleyways, bustling markets and hidden courtyards. The air is thick with the scent of spices and the sweet steam from shops baking the city's legendary dessert, kanafeh. Nablus is home to centuries-old olive oil soap factories and ancient Turkish-style bathhouses, or hammams, still in operation. It's an unfiltered, authentic experience of a historic city that pulses with trade and tradition. Number 3. Battir's Ancient Terraces. Our next stop reveals a masterpiece of human ingenuity and harmony with nature. This is Battir, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For thousands of years, families here have used a unique Roman-era irrigation system to water these stunning agricultural terraces, known as the Land of Olives and Vines. This isn't ancient history left to ruin, it's a living system passed down through generations. The network of channels distributes water from natural springs, ensuring every family's plot receives its share. In a region often defined by scarcity, Battir is an oasis of sustainability and a beautiful reminder of a deep, unbroken connection to the land. Number 2. Hisham's Palace, Jericho. We journey now to the lowest city on earth, Jericho. While many know it for its ancient walls, a true treasure lies just on its outskirts, Hisham's Palace. For centuries, its greatest secret was buried under the dust, the Tree of Life, a breathtaking floor mosaic from the 8th century. Covering over 800 square meters, its vibrant colors and powerful symbolism are perfectly preserved. It depicts a scene of peace and conflict gazelles grazing peacefully on one side of a great tree, while a lion attacks another gazelle on the other. It is a stunning work of early Islamic art, a hidden gem that rivals any masterpiece in the world. Number 1. Hebron's Glass and Ceramics Factories. Our final stop reveals a beauty forged in fire. In the ancient city of Hebron, a tradition of glass blowing stretching back to the Roman era is kept alive in small, family-run factories. Here, artisans use recycled glass and local sand to create the city's iconic swirls of blue, turquoise and green. Watching the glowing molten glass being shaped by skilled hands is mesmerizing. This isn't a museum piece. It's a living craft, a family legacy passed down through generations, creating vibrant art that carries the story of the city in its colours. Palestine is not a single story. It is a complex, beautiful and deeply human tapestry. From desert monasteries and ancient ruins to bustling cities and living traditions, its secret beauty is everywhere. So the next time you hear the word Palestine, remember this: not just the headlines, but the quiet strength of its valleys. The echo of ancient footsteps in stone alleys, the hands that craft beauty from flame and earth, and the spirit of a people who carry thousands of years of culture, faith and resilience in their everyday lives. We hope this journey has opened your eyes to the secret beauty of a land the world too often overlooks. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see the world differently.